Andrew Gubbin asks, Andrew says, is there a formula to convert from a linear toe value to a degrees value? Yeah, absolutely there is, Andrew, and I'll just jump back a little bit for anyone who's not sure what Andrew's talking about there. So when we're measuring that toe angle, let's say if we're looking down on top of the car here and well, you're looking front onto the tire, if we've got some amount of toe on the car, this is our straight string line here, we're obviously measuring linear measurements here, so we're measuring if it's got toe out at the front of the car, we're going to have a longer measurement at the back and a shorter measurement at the front. Now, as I said, I think I mentioned during the workshop section, road car manufacturers will generally talk more in terms of degrees, which is true. Strictly, that's a more correct way to talk about toe. The problem is it's not actually a very useful or practical way to talk about toe when we're doing things on the racetrack, with the vast majority of teams doing things with either string or string-like system where we're measuring from some straight reference from the car. So it's really as simple as a bit of basic trigonometry using Soh-Cah-Toa, which is what we're taught here in New Zealand, which is just using sine, cosine and tangent. So if you know the diameter of your wheel, if you know the difference or the radius of your wheel, half your diameter, and the difference in measurement you've got at each end of the car, or each end of the wheel there, you can go ahead and straight away easily work out that angle in terms of degrees or degrees minutes, seconds, whatever suits you really. But yeah, you'll find generally in motor racing, pretty much it's universal, everyone talks about toe in terms of a linear measurement rather than an angle, but it's very simple to convert to an angle if you want to. That question was taken from one of our free live lessons. If you like free stuff and you want to expand your knowledge, click the link in the description to claim your free spot to our next live lesson. You'll learn about optimizing the performance and handling of your car on the racetrack, as well as improving your skills behind the wheel. Plus, you'll have the chance to ask your own questions, which we'll be answering live.